Hi guys, this video is about reducing your carbon footprint. Now, exactly why would we want to do this? Well, first of all, it does help reduce global warming. Just in case you don't know what global warming is, we'll be covering that in a minute. We'll be focused on a couple of ways to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide that we release into the air. Firstly, by reducing your usage of temperature control, and also by turning off the lights when you don't use them. Let's move on to how global warming actually works. First off, we have the world. It's a beautiful place, and we enjoy living on it. Then, we have humans, and a lot of our actions emit carbon dioxide, which spreads into the atmosphere and traps heat. This causes global warming, which scientists believe will disrupt our world's natural systems. This could be the end of life on Earth as we know it. This probably isn't the best thing for the planet. Sure, you say, the globe is warming, but what can we do about it? Well, there's just so many ways to do it that this video would be years long if we covered them all. So, we'll be talking about just a couple. Some of our biggest energy eaters we have are air conditioners and heaters. For example, a heater would take up far less energy if it was turned down even 1 or 2 degrees. Even better, we could turn it down 4 degrees, from room temperature of 21 centigrade to 17 centigrade. Feeling a bit chilly? Put on another sweater or two. Not so chilly now, is it? You'll be warm and happy. The air conditioner takes up 16% of the average American household year's worth of energy, clocking in at 1,704 kilowatt hours. This is equivalent to 23,765,119.95456 liters of maple syrup. This is also equivalent to 63,373,653.21226 375 milliliter bottles of the same stuff. What a waste of energy. Well, wait a minute, you ask. What does energy have to do with carbon footprint? Well, you see, the coal, oil, and natural gas burned to produce the energy that powers our house also happens to release a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So, the less energy you use, the less CO2 will be released. Turn those lights off. Lights are another one of those very big energy eaters. We use lights for everything. Pot lights, refrigerator lights, car headlights, back screen lights, TV lights, and much, much more. Turn your lights off when you don't need them. They can be easily switched off with an easy flick as shown here in these epic clips. However, when you need to use the lights, recycle your incandescent light bulbs, which waste much of their energy as unnecessary heat. Instead, use fluorescent light bulbs, which use up to 3/4 less energy and last 10 times longer. Now there's an idea with a twist.
We haven't even begun to tell you all the ways you can reduce your carbon footprint. There are even ways to directly reduce carbon emissions instead of just reducing energy use, such as walking, biking, or taking public transit instead of the car, or even eating foods that are grown locally. However, it's always good to start somewhere, and the 2 points we gave you are as good a place to start as any. Remember, small steps lead to small footprints.